In this particular video, we are going to work on a scenario and the solution for it. So the scenario is that if you are given a task that you need to find out whatever collections or whatever activities that has been performed on the console, you need to find out the past history, that is the audit log, how you can find it out. So for that, we will open our MECM console, that is MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. So once I go into this particular console, I need to go to the monitoring tab. In the monitoring tab, we will find several information. From that, we need to go to overview, system status, and in that we need to go to status message queries. So once we are into status message queries, there are multiple options which are there. One option that we will check is all status messages for a specific site. So this one will select, right click, show messages. Now when we do a right click and show messages, it is asking me to enter site code and time. We can manually enter it or we can use from the load existing. Now this is giving a pop-up. If our infra is having too much data, it may take time, but mine is a test environment, so I'm using this time from how much prior information that I'm looking for. So right now it is selected as 1 hour ago. You can use a drop down list, so it's giving me 1 hour, 6 hours, 12 hours. In case if I'm looking for 1 day, that also is possible. So let's see just 1 hour ago right now. So I'm selecting OK. So this all information is shown over here. It is telling me that 1 hour back there was a distribution point to a package name. There's a package which was there, it was distributed, and then it was a deployment of an application. All this information I'm able to find out that this was the activities that was carried out from the system name, and these are the message ID. If I go to right, so all the information I am able to find out. So in case if we need to see that who did it, there's a user, that's the CM admin who has done it. So this all information, if it's a requirement where you need to find out that, hey, who created this collection, it was not there yesterday or it was not there 1 hour back, we can come in the audit status message and we can find it out. So this was for 1 hour ago. Similar thing we can do it for 1 day back. So I'm going to back to the site code, entering the site code data, and now it's not giving me option of 1 day. So what I can do is that I can remove this particular thing. I can just type DA. I'm clicking out. Again I'm clicking on the drop down. It is giving me option of 1 day ago. Now I'm clicking OK. Again it is giving me much more data, and this time even I'm seeing the data where the few of the information which I was saying that which was carried out on 30th, like this one, that is also available, like creating a deployment of application, and then if you see modifying client components, so client settings were modified and the collection was created. So a lot of information I'm able to say it out. So this is something which will be very useful when you need to find out the audit history of what has happened in the environment. So hope this video you will like it, and you can share your questions, and according to that questions I can work on a case study, I can create a scenario and come back to you with an interesting video and knowledge session on that. So thank you. This is Yagnesh Malavya signing out. We'll see you again.